Hello, and welcome to this tutorial of Vlookups on Gigasheet. Cross-file Vlookup allows you to cross-correlate two sheets. This means you can pull in columns from another sheet on your Gigasheet account. To get started, you'll find this function under the Functions menu, and then select the column you want to match on the first sheet. Here I have some data from Boston over the course of 2 years. I'm looking at the 2021 data, and I want to look at the 2020 data and see if there are any repeating incidents from the 2 years. And then I'm also going to select the incident column there as well. Near match allows you to ignore white space, punctuation, and any case sensitivity that may come up in the column. The new column content means that Gigasheet will insert a new column. So this can be either a value from the sheet or a true and false value that is found between two columns. For this set of data, I will use the true and false to show the functionality of what that looks like. Once I hit apply, my new column is generated under lookup result. As you can see, there are a lot of false values, but if I group the data together, I can see the ones that have matching true values. This is just one way to use Vlookup, and now we'll take a look how to use Vlookup when the new column content is a value. I am going to change up my data a little bit here and pull up some sales data. Here I have a bunch of sales lead and a list of Fortune 500 email name domains. This includes a bunch of company information that I can correlate back to my sales leads. So let me pull up my sales lead sheet and go to Functions and Cross-File Vlookup. Select the company column, and I want to match the companies here on my leads. So I will select Lookup on the company column, and then select near match to ignore punctuation, white space, and case sensitivity. On the new column content, I will select value, and I will want to select additional columns that I want to add from the Fortune 500 sheet. So here I select domain, their website, and rank. As you can see, this generates those 3 new columns. And I can sort these by rank. And as you can see, the number 1 ranked here is Walmart. And to go a little further to organize this data, I can group by the company and then find the average of the rank. And now I can see how many sales leads I have within each Fortune 500 company. This is just one way to organize your sales lead data and cross-correlate 2 sheets. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us at support@gigasheet.com and thank you for watching.